In order to fix notification not receiving on WhatsApp, open your WhatsApp application, and after that, on the bottom right section, click to your account avatar icon, and from here, as you can see, there is notifications. Click this, and as you can see, everything is turned off. We're gonna turn on everything one by one, reminders. And lastly, we're gonna set home screen's notifications clear batch. That means when we open WhatsApp application, home screen notifications will be clear out. Okay, we've done here. We are closing our WhatsApp application, and now we are clicking to our phone settings. And from here, we're scrolling all the way down until we found apps. Clicking this, and from here, we're gonna search for WhatsApp. Clicking WhatsApp application, and as you can see, notifications are turned off. We're clicking this, and allow notifications, we're gonna activate this button. Clicking this, and now as we have activated allow notifications, you're gonna receive every single notifications on WhatsApp when sends you a message or there is an important reminder, etc. Thanks for watching.